This is an update on the Subaru pressure washer. Still having some problem. Runs great, but I had a leak at the hose connection. I'm trying to fix that. And while I was getting ready to check it out and it was running, I noticed I had, a leak at the bottom of the gas cap and neck. Leaking right here, running down here, and I'm assuming it's right around here. I'm not sure, and I'll probably end up trying to find me a new gas tank because the engine runs great now. Temporarily, I'm going to try to fix it with this. I'm going to spray it, and I don't feel that it's going to work very long if at all that gasoline may destroy this stuff right away. We'll see, but I'm going to spray it and I'll give you an update on it because I'm going to start it up after it gets good and dry. Out. That's a my Jeep update. It's about 12:15 or so after lunch, and I came back out here about 11 and I put a second coat of black flex seal on it. Here's the black right here, and there's the clear down there. Anyway, just to kind of blend it. I'm going to start it up and see if it's going to leak and go from there. Out for now. Okay guys, I'm going to try starting it up. Turn it on. Let's see. So this. I don't see it leaking yet. Was leaking right along here, rolling down, and so far I'm letting it run for a little while. I'll let it run for a couple of minutes or so, and then I'll get back with you. My Jeep out. Well, folks, I didn't last very long. I saw a drop. You see it right there. Let's see. Yeah, see it dripping? So the flex seal won't hold. It broke down pretty quick. I'm going to see about ordering me a tank, and I'll get back with you on that when I do. Out for now.